Designing an effective incentive plan requires a nuanced approach that aligns with the strategic goals of an organization, while also addressing the diverse needs of its employees. Incentive plans, when well designed, can significantly enhance motivation, productivity, and the overall performance of a company. The first step in designing an incentive plan is to clearly define the objectives that the plan is intended to achieve. These goals can range from improving productivity, encouraging innovation, driving sales, enhancing customer satisfaction, or promoting team collaboration. These objectives must be measurable and directly linked to the broader strategic goals of the organization. Once the objectives are established, the next step involves identifying the behaviors and outcomes that will be rewarded. This specificity ensures that the incentive plan reinforces actions that contribute to the organization's success. For instance, if the goal is to enhance customer service, the incentive might be tied to customer satisfaction scores or feedback rates. Choosing the right type of incentives is important. Incentives can be financial, such as bonuses or stock options, or non-financial, such as additional leave days, professional development opportunities, or public recognition. The decision on what type of incentive to use should consider the company culture, the nature of the work, and the preferences of the employees. Financial incentives are often effective for short-term goals, while non-financial incentives can be more beneficial for fostering long-term employee engagement and loyalty. The structure of the incentive plan should also be considered. Typically, there are two main types: individual-based and team-based incentives. Individual-based incentives reward personal achievements and are effective in roles where individual performance can be clearly measured. Team-based incentives are designed to encourage collaboration and are suited for projects or goals that require collective effort. The choice between individual and team-based incentives should reflect the nature of the work and the desired outcomes. Determining the criteria for earning incentives is another important aspect. These criteria should be transparent, attainable, and perceived as fair by the employees. Unrealistic goals can demotivate staff, while overly simple objectives might not drive the desired level of effort. It's also important to establish clear and objective methods to measure whether the criteria have been met. This might involve quantitative metrics, such as sales targets, or qualitative assessments, such as peer reviews. Communication is key in the implementation of an incentive plan. Employees need to understand not only the specifics of how the plan works, but also why certain behaviors are being incentivized. This understanding helps to align their actions with the company's strategic objectives. Regular updates and feedback can also help maintain motivation and clarify any uncertainties about the plan's operation. Monitoring and adjusting the plan over time is essential to ensure its continued effectiveness. The business environment and organizational goals can evolve, and the incentive plan should adapt in response. Regular reviews can assess the effectiveness of the plan in achieving its goals and should involve feedback from participants to identify opportunities for improvement. The design of incentive plans is a strategic task that should be approached with a clear understanding of its potential impact on the organization. By aligning the incentives with company goals, designing clear and achievable criteria, and choosing the right rewards, managers can create powerful tools that drive performance and align employee efforts with the strategic objectives of the organization. This strategic alignment helps ensure that the incentive plans do more than just motivate employees. They steer the organization toward achieving its long-term goals. Through thoughtful design and consistent management, incentive plans can significantly contribute to the success and growth of an organization, reinforcing the desired behaviors and results that lead to sustained business success.